question 8. So for part A, we'll focus on starting with the left hand side and manipulate that to equal the right hand side. So we're kicking off with the left hand side. So obviously sec 2a is 1 over cos 2a, and also tan 2a is sin 2a over cos 2a. So they're both over the common denominator, so we can simplify that to being 1 plus sin 2a over cos 2a. Now we know that 1 equals cos squared whatever plus sin squared whatever, so the 1 is cos squared a plus sin squared a, and using the double angle formula, sin 2a equals 2 sin a cos a. Again, if you're not familiar with that, that's just coming from basically this top one that we're given, where a and b are the same value. So that's manipulated our numerator, and the same idea with the denominator, again coming from the double angle formula, cos 2a equals this, which is just from this formula here where a equals b. So we've basically substituted in for all three of these options to give us this plus this plus this. Now this bit's quite clever. The denominator, cos a squared minus sin a all squared, is cos a plus sin a multiplied by cos a minus sin a. If you just imagine multiplying out that pair of brackets, the two middle terms disappear, leaving us with cos squared a minus sin squared a. So having notice that this is the difference between two squares, the denominator, we can substitute, we can cancel out these first two terms, leaving us with cos a plus sin a over cos a minus sin a, which is the right hand side which we had to show. Now for part B, we need to solve this within this range, so let's use its alternative format, its right hand side. So our right hand side equals a half. Multiplying through by the denominator we get this, and doubling both sides I get this. Taking all my cos terms to the left and my sin terms to the right, I'm left with this. Then dividing through by cos theta, I get 1 equaling minus 3 sin theta over cos theta, or in other words minus 3 tan theta. So dividing through by minus 3, tan theta equals 1 over minus 3. So popping that into my calculator, I get theta equaling inverse tan minus a third. Making sure my calculator is in radians, I get minus 0.321 as a solution. Now that's not within my range, but it's my starting point. So using my cast diagram, I see that my two values that I want, where tan is negative, is this angle here and this angle here. So this first angle is 180 degrees, so pi radians minus 0.321, giving me this. And my second solution, this angle all the way around to here, is 360 degrees minus this. In other words, 2 pi minus this, giving me 5.961 radians as my second solution.